Hello and welcome to the prototype build of our game Discarded. My name is Jake Shillan. I am one of the producer designers on this team, and I am super excited to bring our current build to you all right now. So here's the main menu. Background art by Juan. We've got some how to play slides right here. Go ahead and check them out at your leisure, but I think we're going to cover most of that in this little playthrough right here. Here is the team. Honestly, just an incredible set of people. I'm impressed every day. I think everybody on the team is impressed every day, not just by the work that we're all doing, but also by the game that we're building. And we're super excited to continue working on it as well. We're all super multifaceted. I like to say that everybody's part designer, everybody's part producer, everybody's got ownership in this project. And of course, we would be nowhere without Misty, our team advisor. She is an incredible beacon of guidance for us. Oh, also call out Cody Stamm, as well as being an environment artist and the person who put together the room for our combat, also did the music you're hearing. How about that? Really great stuff, honestly. Speaking of music, here's another track, just something between the menu and the play. So what we've got here is the option between two different opponents to fight in two separate rooms. Which one do we want to combat? Now, the piece you're looking at here is by Juan again, just incredible environmental concept. And then also just a nice little a fun poke in the face. This is like, this is our prototype build, and it's like our store is in prototype as well, right? Not open currently. So let's go ahead and jump into one of these combats, huh? I'm going to go with this one right here. What could it be? A teddy bear, an angry-looking teddy bear, if anything. And a little camera swing, a little cinema verite. Now here's our combat UI. In front of the combat UI, or behind it, I guess, we've got our teddy bear opponent that we just chose, and us, a figure drawing mannequin that will soon pop out their parts and swap them with toy parts from toys they have defeated. And oh yes, we will defeat them. Some other stuff going on here. Up in the top left, we've got our health and our block. Top right is our enemy's health and our enemy's block. The big red dot is an intent system. The big red dot means that the opponent will be using attack cards next, so we should probably use block cards. But as you can see from our hand, we have no block cards, we only have attack cards, so we're just going to have to go full bore and charge right into the teddy bear. Just to wrap up the UI, we've got this toy catalog that will, in the final build, bring up your character inventory and your menu options. And then over here we have the heap, which is our discard pile. So let's go ahead and play some of these cards. As you can see, we're damaging the opponent. And we'll end the turn. And we have a mana system. That's what you see up here in the top left. We'll go over the card anatomy in the next run here. But we are just about to defeat our opponent and end the turn, and here we are. So we've defeated our opponent, and this is our reward screen. All of the UI is done by Mariah, our dedicated UI artist, and she is absolutely slaying it, if I may say so myself. This over here is a nice UI piece of you, the character. You are a mannequin, and your name is Kin. How about that? Now, we can choose any of these pieces from the toy teddy bear to put on ourselves. I really like the teddy bear head. Let's go with the teddy bear head. We're back to this. We can choose another room. Let's choose the other one, of course. And what is it? A toy robot. Look at him. Yeah. Little laser, little pop can top shield. That's what I meant to say. So as you can see, we've got the teddy bear head rocking on our person now, on our little mannequin. And just so you know, each of the parts comes with its own built-in set of cards. So all of these will have basic attack and basic block cards. And in the final build, every time you get a new attachment, that set of attack and block cards will be replaced with a new set of cards. So in our deck now, ideally, we have some teddy bear head cards to use. Now, we're just going to look real close. Let's get rid of some of these cards. Perfect. Okay, so let's look at the card anatomy real quick. Mariah has done all of the art, and again, is just absolutely slaying it. But I also want to do a quick call out to Tyler and Boaz, who have been working tirelessly, really, to make synergies for these card sets, to make the card anatomy feel right, and for the information to be readily available to the player as they're playing. So we've got this little price tag icon with the mana in it up in the top left. Got a little symbol below that that's like a little sword. That's the type of card it is. It is an attack card. Got a little area for card art, a little bit of title text at the top, and a little bit of context text down here at the bottom. Right now we only have the basic attack cards, of course, but as the game grows, so will the amount of text on these cards. Let's go ahead and beat up the toy robot. Perfect. Almost there. And let's grab a part. Now, I really want the back piece, which is a big, beautiful, you guessed it, a big old jetpack. Hell yeah. So here we are. As you can see, the jetpack is populating, and it would come with more cards. Another quick shout out, the toy robot and the teddy bear, both done by our key character modeler, CJ. Just tons of work coming out of CJ. CJ's been making all sorts of attachments for the teddy bear, different kinds of heads. The robot's got different types of laser hands and stuff. It's really, really great stuff. Let's get some teddy bear legs, huh? We'll go back here. Yeah, here's this beautiful toy robot again. We've got I just think it's so inspired to have like a piece of like a household item as part of the character model. It's just so fun and really leans into that discarded toy mentality. Let's go ahead and beat up the toy robot, as we are so good at doing. We'll go ahead and grab that awesome laser. And I think this is going to be the last run here, just so we can show off the laser. Now, all art is subject to change, but I am just absolutely blown away by how well these things are coming together. By the end of a run, you're going to have a pretty crazy looking toy, and that's sort of the fun of it. 2 parts silly, 1 part creepy, and 10 parts beautiful card game. So, as I said, I think this is going to end our run here, but we want to end on a high note and beat up the teddy bear. All right. Go team, good job us. That was the discarded prototype. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for your time and your patience. We really appreciate it. If you have any feedback or any comments, go ahead and leave them on this YouTube video. But other than that, we are super excited to see the other team's work now. And yeah, everybody have a great day. And thank you, Terry.